Hello, everyone. This is your favorite show, Meet Charles, MC Show for short. Today, we'll bring you another exciting discussion, something that you have been calling for proof of financial resources at the German embassy or the Rat House. With me here to do the discussion is Mr. Joshua. Mr. Joshua, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
This is the
Thank you.
MC Show, and we are quite happy to see you in the studios of
to be-
MC Show.
Pleased to be here.
Yeah.
Pleased to be here. Thank you.
May you tell audience something about yourself? In brief.
Yeah. My name is Oluwademilade Joshua Adeyewa. I'm a Nigerian, and I'm a student of tropical and international forestry in University of Göttingen, Germany. I attended the Federal University of Technology, Akure, in Nigeria, and then I'm doing my master's in Germany presently. Thank you.
Thank you to Mr. Joshua.
Thank you.
Yes, so you are preparing to go to the German embassy for your visa. There is a burden that you have to overcome.
Yeah.
You have to prove that you can study and live in Germany. Proof of financial resources. This, you cannot cross it. You can't skip this one. So how do you prove that you can live and study in Germany? We're going for a break. We'll be right back.
Dear viewer, kindly like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos.
Welcome back, Mr. Joshua.
Thank you very much.
So can you tell our audience, our viewers, the various funding options for potential students who would like to study in Germany?
Well, thank you very much. The first option is to have a scholarship, and that means you do not have to pay for any of your living expenses in Germany. There are various scholarship programs that we have. We have the DAAD, the KAD, and also the Erasmus, which encompasses the Schengen countries. And to apply for that, you just have to go on the scholarship programs website and then check for the course that you want to study, and then you can take it up from there. I mean, it's a lot of work, but you have to put in your best, your motivational letters and all of that to be able to get a scholarship. And yeah, they pay really good and they take care of you very well.
So you mentioned DAAD,
Yeah.
and in your home country, you can go to the DAAD secretariat and inquire for yourself what they need of you to enable you to get some scholarship.
Yeah.
And I heard of KAAD, that is a Catholic scholarship. I mean, scholarship being given by the Catholic Church.
Yeah.
So go read much about that. And you mentioned Erasmus.
Yeah.
That is for non-EU and EU students.
Yeah.
And if you are in the EU zone, then you qualify for all the packages, all the scholarship involved in Erasmus or exchange programs. This cannot be said about those who are from non-EU zones.
Yeah.
So you have to read much about Erasmus and what it entails.
That's right.
So one means of proving that you can live and study in Germany is by scholarship. Prove to the embassy in your home country that you have scholarship. All right.
Dear viewer, kindly like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos.
Welcome back. We are still on how you can prove financial resources at the German embassy or just when you're about to go to renew your permit. So we mentioned of scholarship. What else can students also show as a proof?
There's also the option of sponsorship, which entails you having an account with a German bank, which is called a blocked account, and then you deposit when the bank agrees to have an account for you. Then you deposit a certain amount of money called the security deposit into the bank account, and then this money, it's about 10,200 euros thereabouts, and Every month from that bank account, the bank issues you a certain deposit for you to be able to sustain your livelihood in Germany.
Yeah, so basically you open an account with a German bank
Yeah,
and you make a security deposit.
yeah,
You put in some money into that account. And because the name is block account, it means you can only withdraw up to a certain amount.
yeah. Once a month.
Yeah, so even if you're in Nigeria or in Ghana and you put that money into that account in Germany, you can't withdraw all the money when you come to Germany.
No, no.
So it's going to be like a monthly thing. You
Yeah.
are entitled to a certain amount
Every month.
every month. That
Yeah.
makes it, or that brings about the name block account. So yes, it's your own money, but you don't have full access.
Yeah,
The access is there for you, but you cannot take all the money.
at once.
So note this. So we mentioned scholarship. Second is what we call sponsorship. You open an account with a German bank, put in some money. When you come, it's your own money, but you can withdraw up to a certain amount. And that brings about the name block. Mr. Joshua, which other way or ways can one prove that he or she can study and live in Germany?
So the final option, or the option that we have left, is the formal obligation, generally referred to as the sponsorship letter. Now, this works in a way that somebody in Germany, an income earner in Germany, helps you or gives you a letter from the Rathaus in Germany that he or she is able to sponsor you throughout your education in Germany
Yeah.
for a certain amount of money. Might be every month, might be at once, it depends. But he or she must be able to prove of his or her financial means, and also be able to prove that he is also able to sponsor you financially and very well,
Very well.
and not maybe just a one-time thing, or it's supposed to be for the duration of your study.
So the person is supposed to go to the foreign office or the immigration office
Yeah,
and pick a letter which we call the sponsorship letter or
exactly.
the obligatory letter.
Genau.
But before the person can get this letter, he or she is supposed to prove that he or she is financially sound. In fact, he or she earns almost 3,000 euros a month.
Yeah,
When these conditions are met, then the foreign office or the immigration office will give a letter to him or her to be given to you. So it's like a declaration letter or form
yeah,
that the person is declaring
yeah,
that he will pay for your living expenses whilst you are studying and living
yeah,
in Germany. This is another option left for you. So scholarship, sponsorship or block account,
yeah.
and the last option is the formal obligation. Just a letter, and you can be in Germany. Just a letter. What else can you add, from your own observation in Germany when it comes to funding of
Yeah.
studies and everything? What's your last submission about
Um,
funding in Germany?
yeah, thank you very much. I would give a little bit of my story, of my background. And when I was coming to Germany, I used the sponsorship bank from the bank. That's the blocked account. And yeah, it's over the years it has gone up. Now it was 8,600 as at that year, and now it's over 10,000. And yeah, and you just have to find the money somehow and know that this money is going to be yours, but you only have access to it occasionally, as the time may be. I mean, it's a period of a year, and then you have to also block another amount of money for the duration of your study.
Yeah. So that is his personal experience. He came with the block account method. When you come, it's your own money, but you have to be taking some little money out of your own money.
Every
It's for
month.
your own safety and nothing else. Nobody is interested in keeping your money or taking your money.
Exactly.
It's for your own safety. But you cannot withdraw more than what you think you want to withdraw.
Yeah.
Because of your own contract you signed with the bank. So, viewers, this is where we may draw curtains on today's show. We would like to say thank you to Mr.
Thank
Joshua.
you very much. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thank you,
very
Mr.
much.
Joshua. So we would like to say some goodbye to the
Bye.
viewers
Goodbye.
watching us now.